Welcome to Tech AI and Beyond, where we explore the forefront of technology and innovation. Today, we're embarking on an exciting journey into the world of Agentic AI, a field dedicated to building intelligent, autonomous agents that can reason, plan, and adapt.
Over the next 10 episodes, we will delve into the architecture and principles behind Agentic AI systems, differentiate between reactive, deliberative, and agentic systems, and learn how to build autonomous agents. We'll also explore real-world applications in robotics, gaming, and software automation, and analyze ethical, safety, and alignment considerations.
In Episode 1, Introduction to Agentic AI, we'll start by understanding what Agentic AI is and why it matters. We'll explore what an intelligent agent is, compare Agentic AI with narrow AI, and discuss different types of agents, such as reactive, model-based, goal-directed, and social agents. We'll also introduce agent architectures, like the Pease model and rational agents, and provide an overview of applications like AutoGPT, robotics, and AGI research.
Episode 2, Intelligent Agent Architectures, will take us into the design and construction of AI agents. We'll learn about perception, planning, and action loops, compare reactive and deliberative agents, and explore hybrid architectures like subsumption and the belief-desire-intention BDI model. We'll also discuss environment models, autonomy levels, and state representation and reasoning.
In Episode 3, Planning and Goal-Oriented Behavior, we'll focus on implementing agents that plan actions to achieve goals. We'll cover goal formulation and utility, introduce strips and classical planning, and explore hierarchical task networks. We'll also discuss agent-based modeling tools like PDDL and PyDatalog, and delve into goal prioritization and replanning.
Episode 4, Multi-Agent Systems, or MAS, will explore how to coordinate behavior among multiple intelligent agents. We'll discuss communication and cooperation in MAS, compare distributed and centralized control, and explore emergent behavior and negotiation. We'll also look at agent societies, swarm intelligence, and applications in traffic control, trading bots, and robotics.
In Episode 5, Memory, Attention, and Reasoning, we'll build agents with cognitive-like processes. We'll compare working memory and episodic memory in AI agents, explore vector databases and retrieval-augmented generation, or RAG, and discuss attention mechanisms and context awareness. We'll also introduce tools like LangChain memory and semantic indexing, and compare reasoning with rules and large language models, or LLMs.
Episode 6, Language, Tools, and Environment Interaction, will equip agents with tool use and real-world interactivity. We'll discuss toolformer, React, and AutoGPT-style chaining, and explore code execution, file access, and web browsing. We'll also introduce agent frameworks like LangChain agents, AutoGen, and Crew AI, and compare embodied agents with software agents.
In Episode 7, Learning and Adaptation in Agentic Systems will enable agents to improve over time. We'll cover reinforcement learning and exploration, meta-learning and few-shot adaptation, and environment modeling and active learning. We'll also discuss reward engineering and value alignment, and compare online learning with offline optimization.
Episode 8, Human-Agent Interaction and Collaboration, will focus on designing agents that work alongside people. We'll explore human-computer interaction, HCI, for agentic systems, discuss conversational agents with memory and adaptability, and delve into transparency, trust, and explainability. We'll also cover social and emotional interaction and introduce Copilot tools like GitHub Copilot and AI assistants.
In Episode 9, Safety, Alignment, and Ethics in Agentic AI, we'll explore the societal implications of autonomous AI. We'll discuss misalignment risks and unintended behavior, reward hacking and specification gaming, and control and oversight mechanisms like interruptibility. We'll also introduce ethical frameworks for AI agents and delve into debates around agency, consciousness, and autonomy.
Finally, in Episode 10, Future of Agentic AI, we'll reflect on the road ahead. We'll discuss whether Agentic AI is bringing us closer to artificial general intelligence, or AGI, explore integration with robotics, IoT and quantum computing, and cover regulation and governance. We'll also look at career paths and research opportunities in agentic systems.
So join us on this thrilling journey through the world of agentic AI. Whether you're a student, tech enthusiast, or just curious about the technologies that power our daily lives, this series is for you.
Subscribe to our channel and stay tuned. This is Tech AI and Beyond, and we've got a lot to unpack.
Thank you, and see you next time.